Hello grade 6, our lesson today is miscellaneous exercises on ratio and its properties. So in this lesson we're gonna talk about the ratio between two quantities and the value of one of them, or in the other part we're gonna talk about the ratio between two quantities and the sum or the difference between these quantities. Let's start. If the ratio between the age of the son and the age of the father is 2 to 9, if the son's age is 6 years old, find the father's age. When we're gonna answer, we will write the titles up. So we will write son's age to father's age. Under this ratio I will write 2 to 9. And he told me that the son is 6 years old. In the next line, under the son's age, I will write 6 years. Then under the father, space. To solve or to find the father's age, I will make crisscross. So 6 times 9 over 2. 6 times 9 over 2, it will be 27 years old. The second example, a wire was divided into two parts in the ratio of 5 to 9. If the length of the shortest part equals 45 centimeters, find the length of the longest part. When we solve, I will write up first and second because I don't have name. So first to second, and in the second line I will write 5 to 9. He told me that the length of the shortest part, it will be the shortest ratio or the smallest ratio. So under the smallest ratio I will write 45 centimeters. Under the second part I will write dots. To get the length of the second part or the longest part, I will make 45 times 9 over 5. So the answer, it will be 81 centimeters. In the second part, notice that we have sum and difference and total and exceed, less than. So I will talk about the sum like total pupils, it means the sum of all pupils in the class, or all or together. All of them means plus. In the other side we have difference, less than, more than, greater than, exceed, increase, decrease. All of them means minus. The third problem, the ratio between two numbers is 7 to 12. Find the two numbers if their sum 76. In this problem he gives me the sum of the two numbers. So when we solve, first I don't have name, so I will write first to second, and I will increase ratio which is called the sum. Under the first and the second I will write 7 to 12. Under the sum I have two steps. The sum of the two numbers, it will be 76, but I will write the sum of the two ratios, 7 plus 12, it will be 19. In the next line I will put 76. To get the first number I will make crisscross. So 7 times 76 over 19. So the first number, it will be 28. What about the second number? It will be 12 times 76 over 19. So the answer, it will be 48. The fourth problem. In a school there are 560 pupils. 560 pupils, it means all the pupils, means boys and girls, means total or sum. If the number of the girls equals 3 over 5 the number of the boys, find the number of the boys and the number of the girls. When we answer the problem, I will write up girls to boys. Why I will write girls to boys? Because he start, if the number of the girls equals 3 over 5 the number of the boys. So, girls to boys, 2 pupils. Pupils means sum. Under the girls I will write 3, under the boys I will write 5, and under the pupils I will make the ratio plus, so 5 plus 3 equals 8. In the next line I will write the total pupils 560. To get the girls I will make 3 times 560 over 8. To get the boys I will make 5 times 560 over 8. So the number of the girls 210, the number of the boys 350. Let's start new exercise. The ratio between the weight of Sajid to the weight of Mazen is 1 to 4, and the difference between them is 27 kg. Find Sajid's weight and Mazen's weight. When we answer this problem, I will write up Sajid to Mazen and the difference. The ratio between them 1 to 4, and the difference, I will make the difference between the ratio 4 minus 1 equals 3. Then I will put 27 kg under the difference. To get Sajid, I will do what? 1 times 27 over 3. So it will be 9 kg. And to get Mazen, I will make 4 times 27 over 3. So it will be 36 kg. Exercise number 6. 2 persons started business. The ratio between what the first paid and what the second paid was 3 to 5. And the second paid LE 17,500 more than the first. More than. So find the share of the first and the share of the second. To answer this problem, I don't have names. Of course, I will write first to second, and I have the word more than, so I will write first to second to more than. More than we know it as difference. So the ratio between first to second 3 to 5. The difference 5 minus 3 equals 2. Under more than I will write 17,500 LE. Then under the first dots and the second dots. So to get the first I will make 3 times 17,500 over 2, and it will be 26,250 LE. To get the second I will make 5 times 17,500 over 2. So the answer it will be 43,750. In this exercise, complete the following. X over y equals 5 over 7. Then x over x plus y. In this ratio, it's easy. X, it means 5. So 5 over. And instead of the other x which is down, I will write 5 and the plus y plus 7. So the final answer it will be 5 over 12. He gives me another problem, number 2. A over B equals 2 over 3, comma, A plus B equals 10. Then B equals, this is ratio between A and B, and A plus B it means sum. So I will make the ratio between A to B to sum. A to B 2 to 3, and the sum 5, and the real sum 10. The missing here is what? B. To get B, I will make 3 times 10 over 5. 3. The next one, A over B, 5 over 7. Comma, A minus B, it means the difference, if you remember, equals 18. Then B equals, to solve the problem, I will write A to B 2, A minus B, A to B 5 to 7. A minus B, it means 7 minus 5, which is equal to, and the real difference 18. So to get B, I will make 7 times 18 over 2. So letter B equals 63. Thank you.